Okay, to start, we're going to turn the key on. We'll make sure we have power. Also, our panel has power. Here, you set your thermostat on a desired setting. All the way down, it's 0. And as you turn it clockwise, you'll be able to get 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, all the way up to 250. Let's say we set it at 200. Get the camera closer, that way they can see. So we're setting at 200. Now, once the thermostat is set, we come to the front to start. If you remember, your choke and your fuel valve at the off position, they were all moved to the left. So now, in order to start, first we move the fuel valve, which is the lower one, all the way to the open position. Your throttle from the minimum, bring it about an inch to the left. Now, holding on to the choke and the ignition as you're cranking, open the choke. Take a look. Now you want to allow the machine to run about a good minute to minute and a half to warm up his water box. So we're not going to have the camera rolling, so remember to allow the machine to run about a minute to a minute and a half at the speed that you can see. It's about 2200. What the machine is doing right now is warming up the water inside of the water box. And also it's charging his heater to the left. Now once the minute and a half is up, we're going to start increasing the RPM to full throttle. Let's say the minute and a half is up. To speed up is very simple. Moving this throttle handle slowly to the left. Now you allow the machine to run for 90 seconds at full throttle to start heating up the water inside of the heat exchanger. So going over the procedure was connecting all your hoses, set your thermostat on the lower setting, move the fuel valve to the right position, which is on, keep the choke to the left, move the throttle from the rest position about an inch to the left towards the rabbit. As you're cranking the engine, open the choke. Machine is going to fire up around 2200 RPM. Allow the machine to run for about a minute and a half to warm up his water box. And then after that, speed up to desired setting, faster, hotter the water, more suction, more pressure, and a slower, less suction, less pressure, less flow, and less heat. Once the 90 second at the highest speed is over, it's time to clean. The next section will show you how to shut down the machine correctly. Here. You move the choke to the left, fuel valve to the left, keys off, your valve is off at the bottom, and your thermostat on the top piece. Now if you notice, when we're spraying WD-40, we continue spraying till we shut off the engine. In other words, as the engine is running, allow the WD-40 to start traveling into the blower. So once you shut the engine, some of the WD-40, it does stay on the impellers. The next will be cleaning your filters and putting it back on, ready for the next job.